Good news, guys. Because tell me why YouTube is actually calling on more creators to create content in a more easy and fun way. Yes, now YouTube recently released a new feature and they just launched this feature 2 days ago. Because even a baby can actually use this feature to start content on YouTube and actually go viral and actually start making money as soon as possible. Now, this feature is a YouTube AI tool. Guys, take a look at this. Take a look at this. Take a look at this. This was announced 2 days ago. Yes. And I saw it on YouTube yesterday, and immediately I saw it. I was like, no, I need to check this out. And when I checked, I had to analyze it, how it works. I was wowed. I was like, wow, no, 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 I need to bring this thing here so that you guys can actually hop on the moving train this year. Yes, so that you not be left behind. Now, to get that visibility on your channel, this AI tool allows you to create videos very easily with ease. With just a click of button, you do not need any editing skills. So let me show you guys how this thing works. It is very simple. Just watch this video to the very end and you can start creating your content. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. On this channel, I share updates about YouTube, how you can grow faster on your channel. Now, this particular update is what you need at this particular time, at this moment. So try to watch this video to the very end, because if you're ready to make money here on YouTube, try not to skip any part of this video. So now look at this announcement. Look at it again, guys. Look at it again, guys. So there's actually two things about this feature that are so amazing. So the first thing is you can actually pick pictures from your gallery, straight from your gallery, and then you can put them together in a way that it syncs with the music. Yes, because when I tested it, I was like, wow, 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 I need to bring this thing here. I need to bring this thing here. And also the second one is that you can convert them to videos without any long editing. Yes, now this YouTube AI will do it all for you. Or in fact, it will add songs, then it will sync it, and you can also go straight to YouTube from this AI tool to pick any video of your choice. Without long talk, let us get right into the video. So first thing you need to make sure to do is to go to your app store or your play store to update your YouTube so that you can see this feature. So click on update. Once it is updated, then you go to your YouTube app. So what you need to do is to click on this plus sign, then you to take you to this interface. So now you can see this AI star logo, and you can also edit with AI at where the picture is. So let's start with the first one. Now it will bring you to this interface where you're going to see the video clips, image and background. So now let's do an example. Let me just type a crystal butterfly float with open wings at a yellow and green flower background. That was what I was supposed to write anyway, but let's create it and see. Yeah, so it will take time to create. It will create like four, then you pick the one you want. So let's create a video with this particular one. It will take time to process, so just give it time while it is processing. So now this is it. So you can just click on continue. So this particular one is a very nice feature if you don't want people to see your background while you are doing your video. So this is how it is. So I gave it another description to create a boy holding a butterfly, and this was the outcome. So you can actually add music to this if you want. Just go to add sounds and add viral songs. Now this is how to find viral songs. Look for song that has high engagement. You can see this one has 24 million. So let's use that one, or no, let's check another one. So just look for something that is nice, that has high numbers. So that is how to get viral sounds, and with that your videos will go viral because
If I
it
say
is a
something
popular
about
song
you,
and people are actually using it.
say something
So once you
about
click
you,
on it,
you're
you
out.
click on
Let's go with the first
next.
challenge.
Yes, so you click on next, then it will bring you to this interface where you can type your caption, put your hashtag, select your audience if it's altered content or not. So now let's go back to the second one. Yes, so where we add picture. So when you click on this one, to take you to your gallery, you choose on any picture that you want. It must not be less than 5 minutes. So click on the one, then you click on edit with AI, then you click on next, then to bring you to this interface. So in this interface you can actually add sound. So like I said, always make sure to use viral songs on your video so that it can go viral. So after selecting your picture or video, to bring you to this interface, you can just type in anything you want just to make the video unique. So I still did not like the way it is like this. So I went back because I wanted to add something of AI. So I went back to this star, then I clicked on video clip. Yes, so it said create video. So now I'm just going to type a description of what I wanted to create so that it can merge it with my initial video. So I said create a beautiful video of many people walking and going to work. Yeah, so you click on create. You can just explore it, explore with anything, just give it a description and it's going to create it for you. So voila, you can see, look how beautiful it is. Oh my god, without any editing skills. So you just click on next and it will bring you to this interface while it is processing. So you can see it, this is the video. So you just click on, you can click on continue, and if you don't like this you can actually go back and give it another description and it's going to create something amazing for you. So now you can see I added music to this one, but because of copyright I had to remove it. So this is it, you can see how nice it is. So now let's process it. Now it is, you can see that it has matched this my own video and the AI generated video from YouTube. Isn't that amazing? Isn't that amazing? Yeah, so this is how it is. Now I'm still going to make one more example for you to see. So after you are satisfied, you go to next. Yeah, so you do the normal thing, you put your caption, you put your tags, you select your audience, you put it in public if you want, and then if it is an altered content, yes. So let me put my caption, people walking to work, hashtag shorts. Yes, always make sure you put hashtag shorts if you want your video to go viral. Now let's create another different design. Create a woman sitting down in a chair and watching her phone. So let's create and see what it will bring. Voila! Now it brought different type and I choose the one I want. So let's create video. You click on create video and it is going to process. So after it is done processing, you can see like it is so nice. I think I need to use this feature for my second channel, because tell me why this is so beautiful. Like this is the first time I'm ever creating any AI video. So what you need to do is just click on it. I don't think it can go longer than 15 seconds. So after this you just click on done and it will process. Then you can add music. Like I said, always use viral song that has huge number of usage. So yeah, this is it. So you can, let me just add caption, take your time to smile today. Yeah, always make sure you put a caption that will draw the attention of people so that people can watch that video. So let me adjust this, and yeah, this is it. Tell me why you will not use this feature. Tell me why. So you see that you don't have any reason not to create content. If you're out of ideas, just go straight to the AI tool, just put a description on it of what you want it to create for you, and boom, it is going to create it. So guys, if you find this video helpful, do well to give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and share this video. I will see you in my next video. Bye. Bye.